Tere! Now let's see, how do you say that you're from some country? That means that you will be answering to the question, kust sa pärit oled? Where are you from? And pay attention that when kus means where, then kust means where from. So how to answer to this question? Have a look at the question word again, and you see that kust has an additional T in the end. You will also have to add T in the end of the S or L that we talked about in the previous video, and that's how you say that you are from some country. That means that, for example, if you come from Poland, you would say Ma olen pärit Poolast. If you come from Italy, you would say Ma olen pärit Itaaliast. Or if you come from, let's say, from Ukraine, you would say Ma olen pärit Ukrainast. If you come from a country that has ma in the end, for example, if you come from France, you would say Ma olen pärit Prantsusmaalt. Or if you come from Germany, you would say Ma olen pärit Saksamaalt. Ja sina? Kust sa pärit oled? In conclusion, to say that you are from some country, you will have to add either ST or LT in the end of the country name. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and see you very soon again.